today I'm going to give a small talk about the entrepreneurship development among SC and BC students. I mean, not only students, faculties, and all Indian citizens. Okay, so here, just okay. Today, first of all, we should know what is this Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So this is an Indian government sector that is operated for the welfare of the SC and the BC community of people in India, especially peoples. So peoples in the sense here all the students and senior citizens and citizens, all the peoples are coming under this category. So here is a person, Srivender Tomar. So he is the managing director of this entrepreneurship development for AC and BC community people. And he has given the lecture on the first day of the program. He has given the introduction, and later Ms. Poonam Garg. So she is the IFCI venture general manager, one of the member of this venture. So she has given the total introduction about this IFCI venture. Next, Prakash KD is also in that meeting, but he never given any talk about this because he is one of the deputy director of CIA, that is Confederation of Indian Industry. So, why this entrepreneurship has been started? So, what is the reason? So, in order to promote the entrepreneurship among the scheduled caste and to provide concessional finance in the sense, if you go to a bank, they will be giving, they were ready to provide the fund, but at the same time, the cost and the rate of interest is much higher in bank, even in the nationalized bank. So, in order to develop the scheduled caste and backward class people uplift in the society, this entrepreneurship has been initiated by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment in the financial year 2014 to 15 on 17th February 2014. So in this, they had allotted the fund of rupees 200 crores. So these 200 crores will be utilized only for the welfare of the SC and the BC community people. Then we are going to see the objectives. So what is the objective? Objective in the sense, what is the use of this entrepreneurship? There are the objectives. So first one is in order to uplift their financial status in the sector. Then it also provide financial concession features. That is the main objective of this entrepreneurship development for the people. And next, we are going to look at we are going to start. We are going into the topic. Is your voice audible?
Yes, Professor. Yes, Professor. Your voice is audible, but slightly you may increase your voice.
I could not mute my mobile. Okay, coming to this, IFCA venture. So I think already many of them might have seen the film that is Superone portal. Okay, in that in the studio, at the studio is working hard to put the finance for this proposal. So all may be knowing that what is the proposal. This proposal is to generate money to have a flight service for the low cost people because the flight charge for the transportation will be very high. So his proposal is to reduce the cost and to reach all the people with flight service. So yeah, he will be struggling to get the funds. So he is not having enough fund for the purchasing of the flight and the services. So what he is doing is going for the venture support. So yeah, the venture is it can be a government or NGO enterprise. Okay? They will be supporting the financial support for their idea. Okay, idea. So using their idea, if it is possible, uh, they will give enough fund to at their purposes. So here is one of such venture that is IFCI. Okay, here IFCI was initiated in the year 1975. It is promoted by LFCI. At the time of initiation, it is acted as a risk capital foundation. Okay. So later it is computerized and it was brought as a venture in the year 2017. Okay, it has taken many fold from the year 2075 to 2009. So 1975 to 2019. So what are the schemes that the government is providing for the welfare of that is make an SC or BC community people to become an entrepreneur. So these are the small that is pet display. First one is venture capital fund for SC, then Ambedkar Social Innovation Incubation Mission, ASIIM, then venture capital for backward process, and finally, credit enhanced guarantee scheme for scheduled cash. Yes. Okay. So we are going to discuss each and every topic very briefly. We are not going into detail. What is the objective? What is the main objective? Objective is to improve the status of the SC and BC community people financially as well as to make us an entrepreneur and to become an well-being in the societies. So first we are going to discuss about the venture capital fund for scheduled caste. Okay. So as I said earlier in the very first slide, this was initiated. This was initiated. Actually, it was initiated in the year 2014. Then that was come into act in 16th Jan 2015. Okay, they allotted the fund of rupees 200 crores, but the amount they spent presently that is at present 2021 up to 2021 they have sanctioned the sum of rupees 606.18 crores. Out of that 539.22 crores is provided by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay, remaining amount that is 66.96 crores is funded by the ILCA. Okay. So here is a pie chart which represents the amount of fund sanctioned to the different states. Okay, so under this venture capital funding for SCB, around 126 companies were taking part in this right now. So what is the eligibility criteria and what is the amount they are actually that is going to discuss now. So the first point is eligibility. Eligibility, they can come with different ideas. It can be an FG, that is consumer product, or it can be an agricultural product, that is, it can be industry, or it can be an service also. Okay, whatever it can be, but that idea should be useful to the society. That is a very important point, and that should be an technical oriented. Okay, that should be a technical oriented. So that is the first eligibility. Next, one more thing is the company, they should have started at least 6 months back. Okay, they will not provide funds for the new company because new company isn't for the startup. That company might have established at least minimum 6 months back. And that company, in that company, 51% of the share should be an SC candidate. The 51% of the share should be an SC candidate. Okay, only when this criteria is satisfied, then that proposal is eligible for the application of this mutual fund SC candidate. Okay, so what is the amount they are ready to provide? So they are ready to provide from rupees 10 lakhs to 15 crores, 10 lakhs to 15 crores. So what is the terms? So they are giving in 2 points. That is up to 5 crores. That is minimum up to 5 crores and maximum up to 15 crores. Okay. So as I said earlier, you were entity and company. Okay, and in that company, 51% of the shares should be owned by the SC community people. People in the sense, civil person or can be SC. Okay. So we all have about that how it is possible for a person or a community to usually uh, initiate the fund. That is initially do the capital fund of minimum 25 lakhs. Okay. It is very tough. So they can get support from the state government or from the bank for the initial amount. Okay. So they should give this proposal to the bank first or from the state government. Then they can establish their form at least 6 months back. Later, they can go with this proposal for this venture capital fund for this. And the first category, as I said, up to 5 crores. Okay, 70% will be funded by this venture capital policy, and 25% will be to the this investment fund is outside, and that 25 is solely not for the basic candidate. That 25 can be from a state government or from the bank. Next one is up to it is more than 5 crores. More than 5 crores. Okay, more than 5 crores. For more than 5 crores, below the venture capital fund, they will provide 50% of the fund, and the remaining 50% the person has to arrange. In that, 25 can be the state government, and at least 15% of the fund should be solely belongs to this person who is going to establish this firm. Okay. Then return will be at 7.7% per annum for the women and civil calendar year. 7.7% and 8% per annum for candidate. Next, we are going to discuss about Ambedkar Social Innovation Incubation Mission. So previously, intercapital fund, it can be as I said earlier, it can be a loan or industry or a service or some whatever it can. Okay.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. 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 I think Nagaraj sir having a network problem. He will be joined shortly. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sir, can you hear me?
You are audible, sir.
No, ma'am. I'm expecting Nagaraj sir. Whether he is audible or not, I don't know. I think he is having some network problem.
His voice is not audible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. He is I think he having a network problem. Nagaraj sir.
Purushottam sir, shall I give an announcement through this meet
Yes, ma'am.
to the faculty?
Yes, ma'am.
I request all the faculty to assemble at the portico after this program.
Yes, sir. He is back on the track. Continue. Oh, sir, but your voice is still not audible. Sir?
Sir, now is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You may continue, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So I don't know where I left. So let me give a small
Yes, yes, sir. You
introduction
want
about
to know,
this.
sir. You have gone to Ambedkar, Asim.
Oh,
That's
okay,
right.
fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Uh, yeah, you have to start from here, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will have a small look at this M.A.M Social Innovation Incubation Mission. So as I said earlier, this incubation mission is only for the technical persons. Okay, only on the technical proposals are accepted, and this is supported by the technology business incubators in all the states. Okay, so in this, around 23 companies were supported by this Ambedkar Social Innovation Incubation Mission, and you can look at you can look at plans about what are the states that are funded under this category. So at last, I will be showing the examples. So here, what is the eligibility to apply under this category? So eligibility, coming to this, all the technical proposals should be sanctioned by the Atal Incubation Center, or as I said earlier, technological business incubation and industrial parks, or DST. So your proposal must be sanctioned by any one of these sectors. It can be in government sector or it can be in private sectors. Okay, only when these sectors accept our proposals, we can go for this Ambedkar mission to get the fund. Okay, so here, what is the investment? Investment is, we can look at this compulsory convertible preference shares. Okay, compulsory convertible preference shares. So what is this compulsory convertible preference share? Okay, so this is out of our total investment, a portion should be made as a convertible shares. Okay, so that convertible shares can be given to the uh, government sectors, or in future that can be given in the IPO also. IPO in the sense shares. Okay, so what is the maximum amount they are providing the fund? Fund is 30 lakhs. Okay, and the maximum up to investment is 10 years. Next, venture capital for backward classes. So venture capital for SC and BC is same. Only the community is varying. Okay, because their eligibility also, let me go to the eligibility directly. So their eligibility is also similar to the SC community people. Okay, 51% of the share must be owned by the BC community person. Okay, as I said, that company should be started at least 6 months earlier. Okay, and out of this total amount, this venture fund will provide maximum 75 percentage. Okay, for financial assistance up to 1 crore, the investment ratio will be 75 to 25. 75 is to 25. 75 will be funded by the venture, and remaining 25 should be owned by the person, that is BC person. Okay, that 25 can be from the state government or from a bank, or even if the person is much stuffed to invest the 25 percentage, then that is well and good. Okay, next, coming to this venture capital for BC. So in this category, this was established in the year 2019 October. So presently 107.79 crores were funded. Out of this, 102.63 is funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and remaining amount of 5.16 is funded by the IFCI. So here is a pie chart, the states that are benefited in this venture capital fund by for the BC community people. Next, what are the benefits? So supporting projects. Okay, it is, as I said, it is in manufacturing or service or allied sectors. Allied sectors in the sense, for example, Tata company is a big concern. It is on thousands of crores. So we cannot get fund for the whole amount. We can take a part of that amount and we can support for that company. So that is why it is called as allied sectors. Okay. Then what next one is they are providing concession fund. Okay, the rate of interest is minimum and return per return is they are giving maximum 10 years. Okay. Then finally, what is the ultimate aim? Ultimate aim is to uplift the persons, that is SC and GC category people in the society, and finally they are providing the um, employment opportunity. That is another ultimate goal of this venture funding. The employment opportunity to the same community people, especially, or to the other communities also. Okay, next one. Next, credit enhanced guarantee scheme. So previously we said that they are providing fund, and that fund is for the establishment of the firm, and this is credit enhancement. So already they are having a company, and if they want to enhance their company, okay, they can get amount from this sector, that is CEGSSG, Credit Enhancement Guarantee Scheme for the scheduled caste. This is only for the scheduled caste people. So in this around 200 crores at the rate of 8, that is the investment. The rate of interest they got is 89 crores as of 31/3/2021. Okay, so here also the targeted people are only from the SC communities, and the duration of the payback is 7 years. The maximum funding is 5 crores, and the minimum
Hello, sir.
they are ready to
Hello,
pay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You have another five minutes, sir, for winding the session.
Oh my God. Okay, sir. Let me go to directly the examples.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is an Lakshmi Partner Private Limited. They got fund around 4.72 crores. Okay, this company is located in Bihar. Okay, so as I said earlier, they are providing the sector. They have established the firm for the allied sectors. Okay, that is Tata company. And this is another example in the loom. Okay, this is an digital printing sector. Digital printing sector for looms in the sense cloth. Okay, it can be a sari or it can be a shirt or whatever it can be. But the ultimate aim is digital printing. So for this, they have provided the fund around 1.79 crores. Okay, this company is located in West Bengal. This is owned by women. Okay, then this is another example. Okay, Mallur Flora. Okay, this is a hospitality private limited. This is owned by an IAS officer under his guidance, Mr. S.M. Raju. So he got the fund of 8 crores. Okay, because the product they got patent for around 6 products. So for this, they are getting the fund from the technical incubation also. Okay, apart from the venture funding. Okay, this is another example. Harsha Mitra Oncology Private Limited. This is a company located in Trichy. Actually, this is not a company. This is an hospital. Okay, a doctor named Govind Raj. He gave proposal to this venture funding, and he got to 5 crores fund. He established this sector. Okay, in this COVID pandemic, such type of uh, hospital supporting equipments are granted. Hello.
Yes, no, sir. Yes, no, sir. Continue.
Hello.
Yes, no, sir. You are audible.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So here is say service oriented. Here is an example for a service oriented PB funds and entertainment. This is an amusement park owned by Mr. Manish Verma. Okay, it is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. He got the fund of 4.81 crores to establish this service firm. Next one is another example. Here 1.5 crore, that is actually this is an 15 crores it seems. Okay, this is owned by an lady, SC lady. So she established this Palnadu solar power plant. Okay, connected. It is located in Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. Omega Roofing, another an example. Okay, it is located in Telangana. Then this Isoria Milk. Okay, this is again it comes under the category of venture funding. Venture funding. Okay, so she got an amount of 1 crore to establish this bulk milk chilling center. It is located in Solapur, Maharashtra. Then Gramia Agritech. Okay, it is located in Greater Noida, New Delhi. The total amount is 2.5 crores. Then this is LAMS Automation Private Limited. So this is what I finally want to explain to the students, those who are attending this meet. Okay, so this is, you can see Mr. M. Anand. He is a student. Okay, he got this incubation, and this is an A, that is Ambedkar Mission approved fund. Okay, totally 30 lakhs. Maximum amount is 30 lakhs. This is 100% patent oriented. Okay, so since this is a technical oriented, that technological incubation center, okay, TST has approved. So after this approval, he went for this Ambedkar Mission incubation funding, and finally he got this amount. He is a person, Mr. M. Anand. He is having more than 3 patents located in Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Okay, another example is Cod Labs. This is a mushroom. Okay, again it is a patent oriented. Okay, again for this they applied for this Ambedkar incubation mission, and they got a maximum fund of 30 lakhs. Pune, Maharashtra. And again coming to this another important Amudavel Motor Private Limited, a Chennai guy, 30 lakhs. He got a patent for this project. His project is e-bike charging and domestic charging wherever we can go. Another one is Jal Jawan Agro. Okay, he is an agriculture person, farmer. Okay, so he got a patent for this. A pipe with rubber flange. Usually, we will have a rubber sealing to avoid the leakage. So here, this person think a lot and finally come to a conclusion to incorporate the rubber sealing in the flange itself. Okay, so by this he can eliminate the wastage of water. Okay, so maximum amount is 30 lakhs from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Then another one is Advanced Design and Analysis Solution Private Limited. So this guy developed many products from the fly ash and the plastic waste. Again, it is sanctioned by the DST. Keep in mind, the fund maximum they can get from the Ambedkar Incubation Mission is 30 lakhs. And that is 100% technical oriented. And this is also in technical oriented, sanctioned by the DST. And This is a microfiber intelligent private limited. It is an IoT based device. Okay. So this is a list of companies that have benefited through this venture funding for the backward classes. So finally, since I have very limited time, I happen to rush up this session. I hope this session is useful for you, for all the students as well as the faculties from our college as well as from various institutions. If you have any doubt, you can please raise your doubts. Is anybody is
I
having
can
doubt?
if you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box also so that I can ask.
Sorry, sir. Since I'm presenting from the mobile, I could not see the chat box. Possible. If there is any questions, please read out that. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will start with the vote of thanks. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box at the meanwhile time. Good evening to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our special Professor Nagaraj L, Department of Tripoli, shared, who, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion. We are grateful to our chairman, the principal, for his stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. My heartfelt thanks to the heads of various departments and the faculty for their valuable contributions, guidance, and encouragement to in all our efforts. At last, I would like to thank my dear friends and my dear students for your cooperation in making this session a resounding success. Thank you one and all. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. Or we will wait for another 2 more minutes. If there is any question, we
Yes, sir.
will.
Yes, sir. I also wish to say thanks to all my colleagues working along with me and who already worked with me. And I thank the HODs of EC, Aeronautical, Mechanical, Mechatronics, CSE for supporting me in this event because many students participated in this session. So if they have any doubts, they can contact me personally also. I am ready to explain.
Yes, Professor. Yes, Professor. Thank you for your time with us in your busy schedule. We shall wind up with that.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I wish to say
Thank
thanks
you.
to
Thank
our
you.
principal sir and management for giving this wonderful opportunity to read these options for our students and faculties and to deliver the same